The first step in creating believable 3D scenes in After Effects is staging them with foreground, middle ground, and background. Enable 3D on a layer. Select the layer. Go to Layer, 3D Layer. You can see that the little box icon appears in the 3D column for the layer. If you don't see this column, click on Toggle Switch Modes at the bottom of the timeline window. To enable 3D on a layer, you can also click the 3D box in the timeline. To properly stage layers, you need to see a side view. If you don't see composition view options, stretch out the window to reveal the drop-down menus on the very right. Select two views in the View menu. Now I have a view from the left and an active camera view. Active camera is what the exported video will look like. Click on a view window to highlight it. Once selected, it will have blue tabs on the corners. The menus will apply to whichever window is selected. If I want to take a closer look at the active camera view, so this side of the composition window, first select it, then increase the view percentage in the magnification drop-down menu. If I want to do that to the left view, first select it, then make changes. This stage left view will help me see what kind of depth I'm getting with my layers. I can change a view with the 3D view drop-down menu. Front, left, right, top, back, bottom. When you want to make changes, make sure the right window is selected. To stage this scene, select all the layers. Type P to bring up the position property line. I am going to take the visibility off of the cave for now. This is part of the second scene. Enabling 3D gives you a third dimension to move your objects in, Z space. This is the last position number. The sky is the background. I'll set it to 800. Take a look at the left view. You can see the highlighted plane moved back. This is the sky. The picket fence is the middle ground, 500. It moved back, but not as far. The tulips can stay at 0. They are the foreground. The dirt is a little closer. Let's make that -50 to move it even closer. Now some funny things happened in my active camera view. The sky and fence have shrunk because they were moved back. The sky layer is large. Remember, we imported our file and retained layer sizes, so I have all that sky space to play with. Let's move it over and up a bit along the X and Y axis. The fence will need to be scaled up a bit. Type S to bring up the scale property line. Scale up to 110%. That should be fine with no perceptible loss of quality. To see what I've done in staging this first scene, click on the orbital tool. This will allow you to pan around the scene a bit. Click and drag. You can see the dimensional separation the staging has created. Command Z to undo. There are no hard and fast rules here, but if you are working with flat layers, try staging them with a foreground, middle ground, and background. Once you move around the scene a bit with the camera, it will come alive.